Hello, bachcho. Let's look into this question. In this question, we are told that, just a second, let me get the highlighter. If, one second. Yeah. So if a plus 3b plus 5c plus 7d is less than 31, a, b, c are distinct natural numbers, and if this expression is greater than 0, then x can assume which one of the following values, okay? Or which of the following values. Can be 1, 2, 3, 4, it can be more than 2 as well, right? Fine, let's solve this question. So what I will do is, I'll just make some space so that I can work properly. Now in this question, it is very much similar to what we have understood. That is, a plus 3b plus 5c plus 7d has to be less than equals 30. Now I have to minimize the value of 7d, so I'll put d as 1. Similarly, I'll put c as 2, sorry. B I will put as 3 and A I will put as 4. So these are the values. If I minimize these terms, only then I'll be able to reach till 30. Otherwise, if you if you maximize d, for example, if you put d as 7, so 7 7s are 49. That is, the single term is more than the upper limit, so it can't happen. Having understood this simple idea, let us start with the question. So I'll just substitute the values once. X minus 4 raised to the power 4, x minus 1, x minus 3 cube, and the last one is x minus 2. The square is greater than 0. That's it. Now please understand, this entire expression is greater than 0. What does this mean? There are even powered terms, and even powered terms will always be greater than 0, or at max they will be equal to 0. So what I can get from this idea is that x minus 1 and x by 3, ignore the odd power at this point, this will be also greater than 0. So we will just put 1 and 3, and remember why we do not put minus 4 or we do not put minus 2 in this expression. Simply because minus 4 will give me, minus 4 ka square will give me 16, 4 ka square will also give me 16. So minus 4 or 4, the even powered terms, okay, the even powered terms will not help me predict the sign scheme. Plus, minus, plus, okay. More than, I have to get, so less than 1 and more than 3. Okay. All right. So what are the typical values that x will satisfy? X has to be less than 1 and x can be more than 3. Now you have to be very careful that x cannot be equal to 4, because if x is equals to 4, this term will become 0. Okay. So how many such values are possible? So minus pi by 3 is possible because less than 1. Pi is possible, 22 by 7. 4 is not possible. I just now mentioned pi by 4 is also possible. In other words, let's look into the options. So the correct option choice for this question has to be option number B, which is 1, 2 and 4. I hope you understood this well. Thank you.